Welcome students. Today I'm going to tell you some important points of the human general anatomy. These points can make you beneficial in your exams. So the number one is how many total bones in our body are. They are 206 in the adult while 306 in the newborn baby. The total number of muscles in our body are 639 muscles. The river of life is called the blood. Blood is called the river of the life. The largest organ in our body, in human body, is the skin. The largest gland of the human body is the liver. You should remember the point that it is the largest gland. The largest artery of the human body is the aorta. The smallest muscles of the human body is the stapedius, which is attached with the stapes bone of the middle ear, stapedium. Normal temperature of the human body is, if we say in the degree Celsius, it is 37 degrees Celsius, and if we say in the Fahrenheit degree Celsius, then it will be 98.4 Fahrenheit scale. Lifespan of the RBC is 3 months, that is 120 days. The lifespan of the WBC is 10 to 15 days. The WBCs has the less lifespan than the RBCs. The left side of the heart gives out oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood. That is it is also called the pure blood. The largest part of the human brain is the cerebellum. It is not the cerebellum, but it is the cerebellum. The largest endocrine gland of the human body is the thyroid gland. You should know the point. It is not the largest gland. If the largest gland, then it should be the liver. If the largest endocrine gland, that is thyroid. The pH of the blood is 7.4 pH, that is the negative hydrogen concentration potential. The smallest cell in the human body is the male sperm cell, while the largest cell for the human is the female ova. How many pumps in the heart? There are 2 pumps in the heart. These are the right and left ventricles, as they play a key role in the pumping of the blood. Number of chromosomes in the human body are the 23 pairs, that are 46 chromosomes. The pulse rate of the human body is 72, while the blood bank in the human body is the spleen. So that's all for this video. These general anatomy points can make you benefit in your exams. Thank you very much.